Hi dear friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how can remove earpiece of iPhone 10, iPhone 6, whatever we can say. You can see here we have already a earpiece, but it is really not working because of water. And today we will try to replace this earpiece. First, I'll let you show how can remove earpiece. You can see here this is protection type, and first we will remove it easily. Yes, you can see we are trying to remove this protection tape. Yes, and now we will start next step. You can see here there is I'm showing you 2 point of soldering. Yes, let's we need paste, soldering flux paste, and we will remove it easily. And you can see here I have removed it easily. It's not difficult work, but just need some concentrate. Yes, it's very simple work, no need anything else, just remove 2 point of soldering. And I have another second one earpiece. You can see here 2 point I easily remove from here. And now we will open another earpiece. Where is that one? Yes, this is old but is working well. And first I will show you. You can see here. Yes, now we will do same thing. We need soldering paste flux, and but just be cautious, don't burn other side of earpiece, because if you burn earpiece it will not fix on LCD. Now I will show you. Yes, first we need to soldering here. Just be careful, don't burn earpiece, because if your earpiece is burned it will not fix. It's very easy work. And we need another side, need to just conscious. Thank you very much dear. So now I'm showing you I have done my job. I've safely fixed my earpiece. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much dear. If you really like, please thanks me, and subscribe and like my video and my channel for next amazing facts or repair. How can we repairing of mobile and software. Thank you very much dear. Thank you very much.